Are you ready to dive into an exciting business opportunity? Have you ever wondered what it takes to start a PVC pipe manufacturing business in India? Whether you're an entrepreneur looking for a new venture or just curious about the manufacturing industry, this video is for you. What makes this industry so lucrative? How can you get started? And what are the secrets to success in this field? Stick around because we at Market Research Universe are about to answer all these questions and more. PVC pipes are becoming increasingly important in various industries, and here's why. They are cost-effective and easy to install, making them a popular choice for construction projects. The corrosion means they last longer and require less maintenance compared to metal or concrete pipes. According to Market Research Universe's recent report, the PVC pipe market in India is expected to reach approximately $8 billion by 2030. Growing at a compound annual growth rate of around 5% from 2024 to 2030. This video is a part of the Startup Business Plan Reports by Market Research Universe. Startup Business Plan Report is a one-of-a-kind syndicated research report created and designed by Market Research Universe, keeping in mind first-generation entrepreneurs, aspiring businessmen, and existing businesses to help them to avoid business failure, selecting the right business plan before they start investing their valuable time and hard-earned money on it. So let's get started. Let's understand what PVC pipes are. PVC stands for polyvinyl chloride, a type of plastic polymer. These pipes are known for their durability, cost-effectiveness, and versatility. They're widely used in plumbing, irrigation, drainage systems, and even in industrial and construction projects. PVC pipes are lightweight, easy to install, and resistant to corrosion and chemicals, making them a preferred choice in many sectors. Now, let's talk about the different types of PVC pipes and their characteristics. There are mainly three types of PVC pipes: UPVC, CPVC, and PVCO. First, we have UPVC, or unplasticized polyvinyl chloride pipes. These are rigid and do not contain plasticizers, making them ideal for plumbing and drainage systems. They are resistant to chemicals, UV rays, and have a long lifespan. Next, we have CPVC, or chlorinated polyvinyl chloride pipes. These are similar to UPVC, but are chlorinated to withstand higher temperatures. CPVC pipes are commonly used in hot and cold water distribution systems and industrial liquid handling. Lastly, we have PVCO, or molecular-oriented PVC pipes. These are highly flexible and have improved impact resistance and hydraulic capacity. PVCO pipes are often used in high-pressure water distribution and irrigation systems. Now let's talk about the market potential. The PVC pipe market in India is booming. According to Market Research Universe's recent report, by 2030, it's expected to reach approximately $8 billion, growing at a compound annual growth rate, or CAGR, of around 5% from 2024 to 2030. This growth is driven by increasing demand in construction, agriculture, and infrastructure sectors. So, there's a huge opportunity waiting for you. Before jumping in, it's crucial to conduct thorough market research and feasibility analysis. This involves understanding the demand for PVC pipes, identifying potential customers, and analyzing the competitive landscape. You'll also need to evaluate the financial viability, technical requirements, and market potential of your business. This step helps you identify the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats associated with your venture. Next, develop a comprehensive business plan. This should include an executive summary, market analysis, organizational structure, product line, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Your business plan will serve as a roadmap, guiding you through the setup and growth of your business. Starting a PVC pipe manufacturing business requires several licenses and permits. You'll need MSME registration, a factory license, a trade license from the local municipality, GST registration, Pollution Control Board clearance, and BIS certification for quality standards. Ensuring compliance with these regulations is essential for the smooth operation of your business. Choosing the right location for your manufacturing facility is critical. Look for industrial areas with good connectivity to raw material suppliers and target markets. Proximity to major highways, ports, and railways can reduce transportation costs and improve logistics efficiency. Also, consider the availability of skilled labor and supportive local government policies. Setting up your manufacturing facility involves creating a production area for machinery and equipment, a storage area for raw materials and finished products, a quality control lab, and office space for administrative functions. The layout should optimize workflow and ensure safety and efficiency. Let's now talk about the essential machinery you'll need. This includes a mixing unit for blending raw materials, an extrusion machine for shaping the pipes, a cooling tank for solidifying the pipes, a cutting machine for sizing the pipes, and printing or marking equipment for labeling. Quality control instruments are also necessary for testing product quality. Investing in high-quality, reliable machinery can improve production efficiency and product consistency. Key raw materials for PVC pipe manufacturing include PVC resin, stabilizers, lubricants, and pigments. Establishing reliable suppliers is crucial to ensure consistent quality and supply. Building strong relationships with suppliers can lead to better pricing, timely deliveries, and access to high-quality materials. Now, let's walk through the production process. It involves several steps: raw material preparation, extrusion, cooling and sizing, cutting and marking, quality control, and packaging and storage. Implementing efficient production processes and adhering to quality standards can enhance product consistency and customer satisfaction. Implementing stringent quality control measures is essential to ensure that the pipes meet industry standards. Regular testing and inspections are conducted at various stages of production to identify and address any defects or inconsistencies. Adhering to quality standards, such as those set by the Bureau of Indian Standards, can enhance product credibility and customer trust. Hiring skilled labor for production quality control and administrative tasks is crucial for the success of your business. Providing training to employees ensures efficiency and safety in operations. Developing a positive work culture and offering competitive compensation can attract and retain talent. Developing effective marketing strategies is essential for promoting your products and reaching your target audience. Utilize online and offline channels, such as social media, websites, trade shows, and industry publications, to create brand awareness. Building a strong distribution network, including partnerships with wholesalers, retailers, and distributors, can enhance market reach. Your target audience includes construction companies, agricultural businesses, plumbing contractors, and infrastructure developers. Understanding the needs and preferences of these customers is essential for developing effective marketing strategies and product offerings. Identifying key players in the market, such as Finolex Industries, Astral Pipes, and Supreme Industries, is essential for understanding the competitive landscape. Analyzing their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats can help you position your business effectively. Starting a PVC pipe manufacturing business comes with its challenges and drivers. High initial investment, regulatory compliance, and market competition are some of the challenges. However, growing demand, technological advancements, and government initiatives provide significant growth opportunities. Effective financial management is crucial for profitability. This includes cost control, revenue management, investment planning, and profitability analysis. Monitoring and reducing production costs, ensuring timely payments from customers, and managing cash flow effectively can prevent financial difficulties. Regularly reviewing financial performance and making informed decisions based on financial data can ensure the business remains profitable and sustainable. Additionally, with the Startup Business Plan Report, we provide supplementary services including startup mentorship and consultation for clients, and digital marketing services for brand promotion are offered by us to support the business through every stage of development, from initial planning to securing funding and ongoing mentorship, including startup mentorship and consultation for continued growth and success. Digital marketing services for brand promotion company, registration, incorporation services, business presentation, investor pitch deck, creating services, pitch deck review, demo day, preparation, curating the pitch script, grooming the founder building, the final pitch deck for presentation on demo day, and application assistance for bank loans and government grants. Let's embark on the journey to establish a thriving business together. Visit www.marketresearchuniverse.com to know more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more business insights. Thanks for watching and good luck with your business journey.